people that make shocks that don't get the memo. And they painted over threads on these.
Yeah, he fired.
They fired.
That's what I'm saying. They fired. Well, you fired for scratching up that goddamn spring.
Man, I'm scratched up too. Shit, I'm gonna show you how to touch it up. They was laughing. I'm gonna put all that back together and then touch that shit up. I already knew it was gonna get scratched. But see, I painted all that shit gray first. All that shit was like a silver gray. And when I went to goddamn, like in that video, that was the original paint that I had, that gray. Yeah. All that shit was gray. And I got down to putting that ball joint in, putting that shit in, man, that motherfucker got so dirty, scratched up. I see, it's all wet. We gonna fix this right if you don't paint all this shit black.
Damn, show that how I'm getting my shit. At least you goddamn coming along though.
That's what I said. It's gonna take some time. That's why I ain't really in no big rush. I wanna do it right. If I was in a rush, I wouldn't even do this front end. I would have took all that junk off and just sanded it.
That's why like a lot of people on my car, they be like, man, you can paint it and ride. Like, hell nah.
It's
do a lot of shit.
It's a different passion than all that. It's easy to go get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, ain't nothing wrong with it, but shit, just, if I can get to it like in a situation like this, I can't try it. It's almost like saying a dude telling me, I can hide this right here and just put the rag top back on.
Man, that big rain, that big gonna do just like that. All that leak, that rug gonna leak down.
I'm like, nah, man, just go ahead and fix it, man. I worry about that out. Yeah, I'm trying to push it more about be something. If I can make it tomorrow, bro, time just prime down, I'll be fine.
Yeah. Yeah, like I say, next summer or whatever. But shit, your shit go by. You doing your shit yourself though.
Oh yeah, summertime, I'm definitely gonna be ready.
So you ain't gotta worry about a line that mechanic till you got there.
Hey, I am the mechanic. What you say wrong with it?
Motherfucker, man, I did this and this. You get up to the shop, the shit ain't even been touched.
Yeah, I don't like that one. I haven't been through it. Like I told with Sam, I talked to Sam for like 3 months straight. Bro was all cool 3 months straight. But as soon as I was ready to do it, yeah, he the one told me that the motor I got in the back wasn't no good. I feel like I should never listen to him.
Yeah.
But after he told me that, I was like, I'm gonna just leave it on the trailer and just leave him on the backyard then. And that motor probably wasn't even nothing wrong with it.
What you did with the motor?
It's still back there. It's on my trailer.
Damn. That's how mechanics get you. And fuck around and be like, oh, I got a motor for you.
Yeah, all right, John. I'm like, man, I should listen to him. That motor car was good. And I listen to him.
Shit, well, you gonna build it, ain't you?
Yeah, see, the one I'm finna do now, I'm gonna just do it myself. I'm buying a whole nother motor.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because, like, I'm trying to tell you, bro, once I did so much research, bro,
I'm saying.
it's cheaper to buy a new motor than to rebuild out. I ain't never seen no black people down there.
I'm saying, I need to give you some cash for that.
Nah, I ain't gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna rebuild it.
Damn, that fucked up. That how you do it at home, boy.
It's gonna be my little project, man.
Fucked up now. That's how you do it at home, boy. Now that fucked up though.
Nah, brother, now you got no camera. Jay came when he said the same thing. I said, yeah, Jay, I'm gonna sell it to you. Man, he ain't gonna sell it to me.
So get what, Jay? You out of luck, man. We gonna figure this shit out.
I'm figuring it out. But I'm telling you though, bro. If you want a motor, just say like you get a motor like that, you want to rebuild it. I'm telling you, it's cheap. Well, I got this other motor. It's cheap.
Yeah.
If you take that motor there and you take it to a shop, dude say, bro, $3,000, I'll rebuild it. $3,000. You be like, all right, that's cool. $2,800, I just bought a new motor, bro.
Damn. Where you getting it from?
Online. On one of the little refacts. But it ain't a full motor though. It's the block, the heads, you know what I'm saying? The pulley and stuff like that. That's it. So your intake and all that stuff like that, you gotta get that yourself. I was like, I was gonna change all that out anyway, so it's really cheaper on my end to buy this motor. And let y'all rebuild.
Damn, Jay, you out of luck.
Call me, man, he won't sell it to me though. see how y'all do or whatever. That J, that was that J right there. Tall. But if I keep it though, when I get those rolling, I'm gonna put that more in here and put it on that stand.
Yeah.
When I put it on that stand, I'm gonna break them all down, and they're gonna be my little practice mode.
Oh yeah, go and learn.
Tell me what you think. I'm playing. I'm back in the game. Shade tree rolls back. I ain't shade tree no more.
Shit, you always gonna be shade tree.
Big garage roll now. Garage roll.
Oh, I said I'm gonna just thug it out with my little 305 and be cool, but in the midst though, I know I'm gonna be goddamn building me something though.
Man, that whole ride, I wouldn't go with it. It's when that whole start giving you them problems. You just like, I gotta get the whole ride.
Oh yeah, cause I know I'm gonna torture the fuck out of that goddamn motor. That's, man, you got you a good fucking start though. How you gonna run yours off? You gonna keep it out the back or what?
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna dump it out right after the rear end.
Yeah.
Almost like a little head move.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I advise you to just dump that bitch out to the back bumper. But just keep it hidden though, because up on that rear end, you just got that big clean, get what?
It's gonna be going to the ground though.
Yeah, you gonna blow that shit.
I ain't gonna blow that shit to the ground. That whole blowing, I'm doing.
You get somewhere with some dirt or some shit that you fucked up.
Yeah.
Goddamn, shade tree roll.
That garage roll. I got my credentials up. Just like that, I got the whole front end. Nigga would charge you 3 days.
Baby, hours been a motherfucker.
I ain't gonna take about 3 days to do that, bro. Wrong side. Yeah, bro, gonna take about 3 days. You gonna get shit at midnight and pump your shit out back.
Be done with it. 2 of the day, your shit just sit.
I get paid on Friday. Hold his shit to 5. But you see, just did some one side right here.
Oh yeah.
How fast I just put that one side together. That's it. Shock in, spring in. That's gonna be 1400.
Some shit that took 2 hours, goddamn.
2 hours. You know, people like lollygag. They that's why people, stuff like that, when you see it, that's why they lollygag.
Shit, I done pulled up a couple times. The car ain't never been touched.
We coordinator. I ain't exposed to no mechanics now.
Oh shit, they know.
But I feel like that's what they be doing. This ain't gonna tell you nothing, but ow.
That's why they be, all you leave deposit this and they get so many cars in. That's how they money add up.
Everything you know. When you want your car back? Next Thursday. Okay.
They can't leave a deposit.
Got us one, boys. Got us one. Ricky, come to the front. We got us one.
Oh shit. Oh, I thought I broke this shit. Just tell y'all what he just did. Don't mind these rusty motherfuckers, they coming off.
They coming off. Out of there.
Painted the frame, painted the spring, up in the fender well.
Don't forget now, this amateur mechanic out here. This for the people that think they can't do it.
Oh yeah.
You can do it, little Nicky.
And see, you gonna change all this out, that out, all that. Got the engine bay looking pretty good too. So we going with the LS, so don't mind these ugly ass motor mounts either. So y'all the other side. Goddamn brakes been on this hoe since they made it, hoe, didn't it?
It been garage kept. Nah, I had added it up, bro. It been 15 years.
Shit, nigga.
It been 15 years, bro.
Nigga, I been out of school for 10.
That what I'm saying?
And shit, we were getting cars or what in high school, so.
This boy been sitting up, and that one sitting up over here.
Yeah.
Cause from over here, you know, I was at mom's house for shit, middle school, and then before that, Thomas.
Yeah, let's start. Need some little metal work did, but it gonna get dead. God damn. And that'd be crazy. There don't even be no fucking rip mark. It just faded.
Yeah.
At least you still got everything shit missing.
I'm gonna pull the shack, man. I'm gonna pull. Well, see, that little seat kit, the Re5 kit, it's like $600. But it's just the vinyl. So if I take it off and that foam messed up, then I got to foam.
Yeah.
But if it's just the vinyl, I'll be alright.
They even do nothing.
And this one rusted. I mean, not rusted, but not a wild wheel. This one too. So the manufacturer put paint on the thread. Amateur hour here, man. I done lost the boat again.
You worse than me. You don't think you got it over here?
It's wherever the impact is. Drag on top of that paint can.
Oh, shit. Snake that bitch would have bit me.
The only thing I don't like, paint run thread and be sharp. You know, turn the wheel.
Okay, put the impact on.
When I put the impact on it, made it turn even more.
Can't hold it or nothing or what?
You gotta hold it, but I can't hold it until I get past like a certain point. You got a little nut on the top where you can hold it, but you gotta get to that point.
Ooh, I like your little girl now, boy. Goddamn son. Goddamn son, goddamn on you.
Got the needle over.
Let's see.